Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in the life in the marina. We have been here in this marina for 4 months in Messolonghi in Greece. And it's kind of crazy how time's gone. It's nearly the end of winter. It's starting to warm up again. Summer is coming. But before that, we wanted to kind of show you just what life has been like for us here. It's been very different. Every single day is different. Sometimes it's a project, sometimes it's maintenance, sometimes it's just editing. And Laura's also been back home for 2 months of the last 4, and she goes back tomorrow for 1 more month. So yeah, obviously things look a lot different when Laura's not here. But when she is here, it gives me time to do a little bit more work on the boat and stuff like that. But yeah, every single morning starts exactly the same way. About 8 o'clock, maybe 8:30, I get up and I walk these guys to, like, I don't know, 30 meters from the boat, and we just come out and chill here. They get to go to the toilet and just run around off the lead. It's honestly become their back garden, their backyard. Like, it's just their home comforts now. They absolutely love it here, and pretty much any time that we leave the boat, they just want to come here. Yeah, it's one of our favorite things about the marina here, which is something that wouldn't really be something you would think about, but it's basically just this big open area where they store like all this kind of storage stuff for taking boats out on the hard, and it's just incredible. And I love it as well, to be honest, because it's super nice to get into that routine, which is something that is really unusual and not that normal on a boat, to have a routine, because every single thing changes every single day. But yeah, let's get back and get this day started, because it is going to be absolutely beautiful. We're going to get 20 degrees today, which, no, before you think, oh, that must have been nice to have all winter. No, we have had some pretty terrible weather, all things considered, and a lot worse than what we anticipated Mediterranean winters to be. Just insane. But we'll get into that later. For right now, let's get back, get this day started, and make the most of our last day before Laura goes home. Morning! So, what's the plans for now?
Have breakfast and then clean.
No more cleaning. No. I know, if that wasn't the most cinematic sequence of someone getting their laundry ever, I don't know what was.
Done.
So, that's all of the housework done, all the chores for the morning.
Yeah.
Granted, a little bit extra. It's not like we do laundry every single day.
Yeah, normally it only takes us, what, 10-15 minutes to do all the tidying and cleaning.
And it helps when we're not making an absolute cinematic masterpiece.
Yeah, it doesn't take as long.
At the same time. So yeah, we're just going to go for a walk, and Laura has to get a COVID test taken for travel.
Yeah.
No.
I know, like, look at the lovely weather, and I'm going back to Ireland in storm. Like,
Well,
100-mile-an-hour winds.
So
what?
So we have, so it's currently February. It's February what?
18th.
And the weather's absolutely incredible right now.
It's lovely.
However, we kind of anticipated this to be the weather, not all winter, but for the majority of it, like kind of 10 to 15 degrees, maybe 5 degrees at the coldest. but like the odd day like this where it's maybe 18 to 20. No, all of November was like this. And yes, so while I was in that, Laura was at home in the sun. So it rained literally more. I think it rained more in 4 or 5 weeks than what it has in like 2 years here. So that was horrible. And then
I came back
for Christmas
and it was glorious weather.
Apparently the warmest New Year's here in like a decade.
Oh, well, I wouldn't have said that.
It was 22 degrees. And
then I went back to Ireland and it was freezing here.
it hit -5.
And it was like 12, 13 degrees in Ireland.
-5. That's what I had for nearly a month of nearly the month of January, and it was horrible. So
and then I came back and it's been like this the whole time.
So Laura has seen probably 3 days of rain since she's been here. But yeah,
it's been great, and it's to rain the day I leave.
So that's
for the next 4 or 5 days. It's to rain.
Yeah.
When I leave.
So
it's so funny. I just bring the sunshine.
But yeah, that's kind of been the last few months. Yeah, we're going to show you the town. We're in Messolonghi, if we didn't already say that. This town of Messolonghi, while Laura's getting her test taken, I'll do some shots of the town because it's a really nice place and highly recommend anyone to come here, especially for winter. It's really nice. So yeah, let's back.
And the people are lovely. I would just come for the people.
Yes, that is the biggest thing we'll just talk about quickly. Because this is not a touristy place, I mean, not everyone speaks English, but
they try.
They try their best,
They
and
really
those that do go so far out of their way to help you with everything. It's kind of, I've never experienced anything like it. It's insane.
And they genuinely want to do it. It's not out of tourism or making money. Or
yeah, like for example, there's a really good cakery, as we call it. And like he gives us free stuff all the time, and he doesn't have to. If you go to restaurants, they give you free drinks and free food all the time.
Yeah.
And it's not like, I don't know, it's just incredible. So highly recommend coming here.
Just for the people. People are great.
It's definitely worth it. So
if you can survive a couple of weeks of rain.
Well, I don't think that was normal, but
no, but
yeah,
you're not going to have months of perfect weather.
No. Anyway, yeah. So let's go show you the town and yeah, make the most of our last of our time together. And we're making this content now because we haven't filmed anything for 4 months, and Laura's not going to be here, and we're running out of stuff from last year. So, woohoo! Okay, let's go to town.
What you doing?
Well, it's vlog day, so last night we've edited all the vlog and just finished the thumbnail and just put it up. Well, It's on Patreon early. Plug. But yeah, it goes on tonight in a couple of hours. Pretty much most of our afternoons look like it's either boat work or doing the video work. That's pretty much it every single day. That doesn't really change. There's very, very rarely we're not doing something productive, and if Laura's not here, then then I have no time to not be productive anyway. So
exactly.
So
or a food shop or something, or which we did yesterday.
So yeah, afternoons are the busy times, to be honest. And then tonight is Friday, and Friday is
darts night.
Well, it's just games night. At the bar here, they have dartboard, chess boards. So yes, it's going to be nice there. Everyone kind of is coming back to the marina now for the season, so it's getting busier and busier. But before that, it's time to take the dogs out for one more walk because it's almost sunset, and we're going out in what, an hour and a half.
Shower time.
But you're not coming with me. Shame.
No, I showered this morning.
Thanks for your input there, love. Thanks very much. Everyone's wondering when they last showered.
See you on the walk.
See you on the walk around the lagoon. And no,
isn't it?
Not every day is like this.
No, it's not.
And that's us. We have finished our day in the life. We're just going to finish off. We're going to go in here to Mimi's. It's not called Mimi's, but Mimi's the owner. And we're going to just have a bit of chill out time after a busy day. Wasn't very interesting in terms of what we did, but hopefully...
Also wasn't as busy as most days. We didn't do any boat work.
No, we didn't literally. No. All the filming is taken up the whole day. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we will catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Hey, look, it's Ruben. Hi, Ruben.